Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Charles Schwab Debit Card. Insert the card or tap to pay, enter your PIN or sign when required, and keep receipts for tracking. Enable push alerts and mobile app access so you can freeze the card instantly if it is lost. Use chip or contactless for secure payments, and always verify merchant amounts before approving a transaction. Using your Schwab debit card for daily purchases is simple and secure. Tap or insert the chip reader and approve with your PIN or signature, then save the receipt in the app for quick reconciliation. Turn on merchant alerts and spending categories to monitor where your money goes, and set daily limits if you prefer. Contact Schwab before travel or big buys to prevent accidental declines and interruptions. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for lasting comfort and a lifetime warranty. They pair great with travel and long days on your feet. Check the description for the link and for other deals I curated. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the Schwab debit card, you can access ATMs globally and receive reimbursements for fees charged by other banks. Insert your card, enter your PIN, choose the amount, and keep the receipt for your records. Check ATM withdrawal limits and daily caps in the app so you don't get surprised by declines. If a machine eats the card or holds funds, contact Schwab support immediately for fast help and refunds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.